Ia ora ana tātou katoa. Today our Cook Islands Volleyball Team will be travelling out to Moorea by ferry and by bus to visit our amazing friends at Kōrero Gardeners. There's just about 30 of us going over and we're so excited to spend time, learn from them and have this hands-on experience.
So today, us and the team went to Moorea, to the Kōrero Gardeners. We went there to learn about corals. Before we went into the lagoon to look at the corals, one of the staff there did a presentation for us. He was just teaching us different types of corals, how the corals are grown, and different places they are located in. It's a really good experience to learn a few new stuff today.
On the court, otherwise they fight for nutrients and they kind of kill each other off if they're not from the same family. So a bit of family feuding between them.
So we got to do a little bit of snorkeling in front of their area and deeper within the lagoon. We got to see the corals on the lines, how they grew over time.
My name is Titouan Bernicot. I'm the founder and CEO of Kōrero Gardeners. I grew up in the remote islands, atolls of the Tuamotu archipelago, then moved to Moorea when I was 3 years old. And I spent a lot of time in the water growing up with my island friends, surfing, spearfishing. And when I was 16 years old, we realized that the coral reef were dying. And so I decided to remove the bed of my bedroom, put some desks, and started a movement to help save coral reef ecosystem, not only here in the Pacific, but all around the planet. And over the last 7 years, we grew this organization to a great team. Now we have a team of 70 people, amazing scientists, local communities of fishermen in Thailand, Fiji, Tahiti and its islands. It's so cool to have the family from the Cook Islands visit us in Moorea and to see that our message is inspiring more and more people. Like we say, we're all connected by the same ocean, and we hope we can create bigger waves of impact in the Pacific, in the Cook Islands, and we count on you guys to keep on going. Maurururo.
This was an important trip for us as an organization, not only to have a cultural exchange with our brothers and sisters here in Tahiti, but to also learn from coral gardeners and work that they're doing in the space of coral restoration. Many of our youth are involved in protecting our reef through the Crown-of-Thorns eradication in the Cook Islands. And this is the next step for us, which is the coral restoration.
We just want to extend a huge thank you to our family here at Kōrero Gardeners. And I'm going to say family because here in Polynesia, in the Pacifica, we are all brothers and sisters. We are all connected by the ocean. And so for today, it's been a huge privilege for us to come over on bird's wings, but connect with you guys in the ocean today. And we are inspired by the work that you guys are doing. It moves us to be here as Cook Islanders, but also extended Polynesian family. As you guys ramp up here in French Polynesia and Moorea, we too are inspired to ramp up things in the Cook Islands as well. And we would love to gift you guys something. On behalf of Kōrero Ōrau, Dr. Tena Rongo and Jackie, we bring our love and our thanks as well to Cook Islands. We'd love to gift you
very much.
Beautiful.
Wow, we got thanks. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Yes. And in true Cook Island fashion, wherever we go, we take our people, our tupuna, our ancestors with us. And so today our team here at Atuianga Ki Te Tango, Kōrero Ōrau, our people from the Cook Islands, want to present to you guys a gift of love, gratitude, and a piece of our cultural inheritance as well. So enjoy.
Te atua tini tini.
Te atua tini tini, te atua mano mano takai a te papa o Hawaiki. Io.
Te atua tini tini.
Te atua tini tini, te atua mano mano, takai a te papa o Hawaiki. Io, io.
Iwitu e ka iwitu.
Iwitu, ki tarangi